Today I want to have a quick look at the new range of Johansen switches. This model here is the 9754 AMC and this is the 9758 AMC. Please note that you can use a standard PSU-2460 power supply from Johansen in order to power up these models as well. So it's compatible with all of the Johansen DSCR switches. The DC is inserted here, and if you insert it, it will flow up the trunk in a communal setup. Just very briefly about these units, some interesting changes from the previous generations. The first major change that you'll see is obviously these are a lot smaller than the previous generation. That's because they've made the body out of cast aluminium and they've built a heat sink into it, whereas the previous generation was cooled down by a fan that was located inside of the switches. The next interesting change is that these can be fed by either a quattro LNB or a wideband LNB, so that makes them very useful when trying to do an upgrade to an existing 2-cable system. You just need to flip the switch over there in order to change it between quattro or wideband input. There are a few things that they've removed. Some of the redundancy systems inside of that were there in the previous generation are no longer present inside of these. But all in all, Johansen is a very good brand and they manufacture some beautiful equipment, so it should work perfectly in every installation. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below. If you need some help putting together a system design, get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you. Have a wonderful day.